Hello to Achi, kamusta? So we're here in Churasan Beach, here in Tsuyusaki. So, and may beach dito. Yan, beach. Yan. So may nag-a-announce. It's in Japanese. I don't know what's ano yung pinagsasabi. So, ganito yung tsura dito sa Churasan Beach. See? Gandang mamasyal dito. Sobrang mahangin siya at dito makikita mo yung mga papalanding na mga yan, aeroplano. Yan. So may papalanding na aeroplano doon. Ana. And today is my day off and tomorrow is work na naman tayo from 9 to 7 p.m. Ganun talaga ang buhay abroad. Always work kasi ganito lang. Punta ka abroad para magtrabaho. And yan, thank you for watching.